Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Instagram. Alright, so let's just go right into your app store. These are the same steps whether you guys have an iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch. You guys will see the fourth option down here below where it says updates. So just click on there because most of you might go into this right away where it says today. So down here below, you guys will see updates. Just click on updates and you guys should see Instagram in there. Now if this doesn't refresh for some reason, just search for the actual thing. So if we hit the last option right there and we type in Instagram, we should see it right here and it should say update. Alright, from there we can just tap on update, for example. It might ask you for your password if you guys have a passcode. If not, it's just gonna start doing the update. Alright, so let's say you guys still don't see that update, or you guys really want that update. Maybe you're stuck in iOS 9, for example, and the update's only available for people that have an iDevice that's compatible with iOS 12. Now let's say that's the case. That means that you guys don't need that update, or maybe that update's just not compatible because it's not made for your iOS. Now you're thinking, well, how do I update my iPhone, iPod Touch? Well, if you guys want to update it, just go right into settings. Under settings, you guys are going to scroll down until it says general. Under general, your second option will say software update. Under there, you guys should see the update. If you guys don't see the update, then maybe you guys have an older iDevice, such as an iPhone 4. Maybe you guys have an iPad 2 that's stuck in iOS 9, for example. Well, there's no real way to update them, okay? So don't waste your time with all these scams that are running online. There's a bunch of scams that tell you that you can update your device if you pay for them or if you download their virus and stuff like that. Don't fall for it. You can't update it. Your device will only go up to whatever's compatible with, okay? So I'm giving that example from an iPad 2 because iPads 2 are stuck in iOS 9 and you just can't update them. You guys will also, if you research, will see jailbreaking. Jailbreaking, same deal. You guys, it won't let you update to the latest iOS. However, with jailbreaking will open up a whole new world for you, okay? So that's different. Jailbreaking will do other things, but it will not update your iOS, all right? Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.